this life would keep on crashing and I keep collapsing. What was my fate? Safety ain't gone, none, and it's restful until I'm on one. Life a movie, it's a marathon.
Still remember the taste bittersweet. In my head it was you that I saw, and I thought that's why you went for me. Didn't see why. I'm changing all the captions with Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely? Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely? I don't wanna wait for someone who's gonna tell me that it wasn't meant to be this way. Feel I'm lost in all your pain. I don't wanna stay. You're spinning out your lies again. Serve me something sweet to hold me over. I can drown out the storm. This weather's just the reason that I'm tired to be someone. I could always see you changing all the captions with pictures of me. Expect me to care about that shit I won't say. I'm protecting my place 'cause you ruined my world. Scream in my face, I don't care now. I'm grossed out by your name. Feels like kisses and cake. Can't say no to that face. In my brain, in my face, what a waste. Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely? Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely? I'm still by your name. I can hear what she's saying. Can't say no to them face. No, no, what a waste. I feel grossed out by your name. I can't hear words that you say. I can't say no to that face. Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely? Isn't she lovely, lovely, lovely?
I've been hiding, I've been living on the run. A life built on destruction, every bullet from my gun. The night calls out my name, a whisper in the dark. I've carved my place in history, left a signature and mark. But now I'm standing at the edge, no longer in disguise. I see the reaper coming, staring through my eyes. I don't care if I live or die, go ahead and kill me. My time has come to face the truth and set my demons free. I've walked the line of no return, where angels feel the tread. This is my final word to the world before I end up dead. I've seen the faces of my victims haunting me in my sleep. Their silent screams, their broken dreams, the promises I didn't keep. I was a master of the game, playing with hearts and lives. But now the clock is ticking, and my sins won't be denied. No redemption, no salvation, just the cold embrace. I'm staring down my final moment, time to meet my fate. I don't care if I live or die, go ahead and kill me. My time has come to face the truth and set my demons free. I've walked the line of no return, where angels feel the tread. This is my final word to the world before I end up dead. my conscience scream. A shattered soul, a broken man, lost within the dream. But there's no turning back, my path is set in stone. I'll take the fall, I'll face it all, and do it on my own. Do it on my own. So here I stand with open arms, ready for the end. I've made my peace with all my sins. No more need to pretend. In this final breath I take my last goodbye. I don't care if I live or die, just let the story lie.